Hello guys, this is Shiv and today we will discuss about the shared pointer. So what is shared pointer? We can see it is a smart pointer that retains shared ownership of an object through a pointer. Several shared pointer objects may own the same object. And next is a make shared non-member function. So what it does? It creates a shared pointer that manages a new object. Reset under the category modifier, it's a public member function. So what it does? Replaces the manage object. Use count observer means it comes under the category observer. So this is a public member function. So what it does? It returns the number of shared pointer objects referring to the same manage object. So let's understand. So let me show you the header file. Here I have a class test. I have a constructor, destructor and one public member function display. In the .cpp file, in the constructor, destructor and public member function display, I just put the cout message so that we can know, means whenever we will this constructor and destructor will be called, we will know by this message where we are. And in the main.cpp, here I have initialized my shared pointer test by using this make shared non-member function, you can see. And here I am using the public member function use count to know the number of shared pointer instance that are sharing the same resources. So here since instance is only 1, so we will get the output 1. Here we are calling the display public member function of the class test, and here we are resetting the resources of this shared pointer test and assigning the new instance here in this line by this new test by this syntax. So what will happen here, for this whatever constructor has been initialized, due to reset, destructor will be called for this test shared pointer and new constructor will be called here. And here again output will be 1 for the use count, because we are releasing the memory and assigning the new resource to the test shared pointer here. And again we are calling the display function, public member function, by using the new instance of the shared pointer. And here what we are doing, here we are assigning all the resources of the shared pointer test to the shared pointer test2. So the output of this use count public member function here will be 2, because test and test2 now both are pointing to the same object, same resource of the object. So that's why we will get the output 2. And again we are calling the public member function display by using the shared pointer test2. And as we will come from out of scope from this main body, all the shared pointer will be destroyed and memory will be released. So let me show you. This is our cmake list.txt file and our final binary file name is smart pointer part 2. And here I have set the cpp file to the source variable. So let me run the program and see the output. So you can see the output. So let me show line by line. Test constructor call. So at line number 26, when this line will be executed, our output will be this. Use count 1. Here we are getting the use count 1. Display function call by the line number 31. And after reset, you can see constructor is called and destructor is called. So this destructor is called for this constructor. So here new constructor has been called due to this reset, because we are instantiating here test smart pointer again, and output will be 1. because here we are releasing and assigning the new resource to the share pointer. That's why output will be 1. And here line number 40, you can see display function called. And here we are at line number 45, we are assigning all the resources of share pointer test to the share pointer test2. So that's why constructor will not call here, because constructor is already called here. And you can see at line number 48, output is 2, because share pointer test2 and test both are pointing to the same object. So now we have a 2 share pointer instance which are pointing to the same object. So that's why output is 2 here at line number 48. And after that we are calling the public member function display. So that's why we get the output display function call. And at the end, when this pointer will come out of scope from the main body, test destructor will be called. So this test destructor is called for this constructor. So we can see we have a 2 constructor here and 2 destructor here. So this is the proof that memory has been released when smart pointer, or we can say share pointer, come from out of the scope. So hope guys you got the idea. So do practice. Thank you so much. Bye bye.